John, what do you think? A defense attorney, what would you be advising her? Would you want her to speak, talk about maybe what happened? How at first she was a good mom and then something went wrong, but maybe she wouldn't even say something like that. What's your take?
Well, I got to call it like I see it. I have always believed, based on the facts of this case, that the best defense wasn't a mental illness defense. I mean, you have a middle-aged woman that's been married multiple times. She's had children. She's had some odd behavior, but no significant diagnosed history of mental health issues or treatment. I've always believed that the best defense in this case, the best mitigation for her would be that she was acting under the influence of this other individual, that he was the person that was somehow brainwashing her, maybe threatening her, but putting her in a position where she felt like she had no other choice but to comply with his commands and his demands. I'd always thought that was the best mitigation. Now, that being said, I don't know, and quite frankly, I highly doubt she gave her defense anything to support that. I think that this is an individual that, as indicated, has not ever shown any remorse and doesn't have any remorse, that she lives in and has her own sense of reality based on some delusional beliefs that she has. And she would be very difficult to have as a client. She seems like somebody that would want to speak her truth and get out her message to the world, which would not be in her best legal interest from the standpoint of the sentence. I think that this is a situation where she should expect and receive not just a life sentence, but consecutive life sentences. And she's just a difficult lady to represent. I mean, I've had clients like that people that just their own reality, and they're unmanageable as clients. They're not going to tell you anything that's going to help you represent or defend them in any way. And it's going to be a very, very difficult, long day for the defense.
And John, you talk about